view the entire document that is being published. In this manner, I will be able to gather a lot of information which is related to smart homes. I will also know which authors and which affiliations have published most number of researches and have been actively publishing the researches in the past couple of years. So I would like to end my scenario here only, and with this also the demo video, and let's get back to the presentation now.